If you're like most people, you probably eat the same few meals over and over, week after week. If that sounds like your routine, let me share with you an easy favorite that will help you get out of that rut. We begin by mixing together some ricotta cheese, chopped frozen spinach that we've thawed and squeezed really well, a can of artichoke hearts that we've chopped, some Parmesan, a bit of garlic, and a little black pepper. After that's mixed, we unroll a couple of tubes of refrigerated pizza dough and cut each one into quarters. Then we top them off with equal amounts of the filling, along with a handful of shredded mozzarella. Now we fold the dough over the filling and crimp the edges with a fork. We've discovered that if you dip the fork in a little flour first, it won't stick to the dough. Once they're all sealed, we'll bake them until they're golden and the filling is piping hot. That's it. And when you serve these up with some spaghetti sauce, you'll be amazed at how quickly they'll disappear. It's a great option to serve on what's known as Meatless Mondays, or really any night you want to change things up. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our spinach and artichoke calzones so you can say hello to a dish that's super easy and, as Kelly would say,
quite tasty.
I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we've discovered a new way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
That's very good.